Welcome to our channel where we uncover simple, effective ways to enhance your streaming experience. Welcome to our channel where we uncover simple, effective ways to enhance your streaming experience. If you've been curious about trying out Paramount Plus without any initial cost, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into how you can activate the Paramount Plus free trial quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Paramount Plus official website. Once there, look for the Start Your Free Trial button prominently displayed on the home page and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your details carefully. This includes your email address and a password, and sometimes your date of birth to verify eligibility. After setting up your account, the next crucial step is to choose your subscription plan. Paramount Plus typically offers multiple plans, so select the one that suits your viewing preferences, but remember, all plans offer a free trial period, giving you a chance to explore without charges. Next, you will be asked to enter your payment information. This might seem daunting, but it's standard for subscriptions offering free trials to ensure seamless service continuation once the trial ends. Be sure to check the trial duration and note when you should cancel if you decide not to continue. Once your payment details are securely added, confirm your subscription and voila, your free trial is now live. You can start exploring Paramount Plus's extensive library of movies, TV shows, and exclusive originals instantly. To make the most of your trial, consider diving into popular series and new releases that Paramount Plus specializes in. Remember, the key is to enjoy every moment of your free trial fully before deciding if you want to keep the subscription. If you ever wish to cancel, make sure to do so before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. Don't worry, the cancellation process is straightforward and can be done directly through your account settings. Channel reminder: subscribing right now to our channel and liking this video will ensure you get all the latest tricks on streaming services and entertainment hacks right at your fingertips. Always check the terms of service for the latest updates on trials and offers so you're never caught off guard. With this quick guide, you're ready to enjoy Paramount Plus risk-free and discover a whole new world of entertainment at your convenience.